Hi everyone! If you saw my post yesterday in the community tab, I had my wisdom tooth pulled. I know I'm feeling much better now. Thank you for the love. And today I'm gonna make a noodle soup with tomatoes and fried egg. So next few days I'm gonna eat more soups. The ingredients so simple. You must try this. And let me show you. I have 2 tomatoes, medium size, and 1 egg, 2 cloves garlic, and 2 stalks of green onions. And the yibin yacai is optional. And today I'm going to make this very thin noodles called the gua mian, which literally means honey noodles, but they made it so thin as hair. And first, let's cut the ingredients. Just cut the garlic into thin slices. And green onions. Yeah, some of you ask what the white part of green onions. So this is the white part, basically the root of green onions. We normally use that for flavors. And the green part is for garnish. So we also cut very thinly. So for noodles, you can just use whatever you have. Yeah, try to find Chinese dry noodles. If not, whatever noodle you can find. But use the same method to make this noodle soup. Okay, that's all green onions. Yeah, 2 tomatoes. To make sure they're a little bit soft, so they'll be juicier and sweeter. It seems this one not as good as the other one. We don't know till we open it, right? So basically we just cut into chunks. Now we are ready to cook. First we heat up the pan to medium high. Add some vegetable oil. I use canola oil. Then we saute garlic slices and white part of green onions. Just to infuse the oil. Now the other stove, I'm boiling water for the noodles. Now the green onions and garlic smells fragrant. We add tomatoes. Be sure you can squeeze it, get the juice out. Should we call this Chinese tomato sauce? turn the heat up to high. And we'll add some salt. Now we'll try to get the juice out. You can see it's coming out now. Now we're going to add warm water. So I just wanted the original taste of tomatoes. We're not adding any stock, but just warm water. It's about 1.5 cups. And bring this to boil. Now our tomato sauce is boiling. We turn to medium high and cover it and move to the other side. Let it cook about 10 minutes. And we're going to make the fried egg. So we're going to make scrambled egg. Add a little bit salt and white pepper powder. And I turn the pan to medium high. I have an assistant to make this scrambled egg because I want a round shape. His name is Joey. So we just put Joey in the middle. Add oil. I mean, if you prefer to make a sunny side up egg, go ahead to do that. I just like scrambled. Wait till it bubbles. Start cooking. Scrambling egg with Joey. Just wait till the egg all formed. Now we can pour Joey. Then we can flip it. Yeah, that's the shape I want. Like I said, you don't have to do that. You just fry on the pan. That'd be fine too. Okay, our eggs ready. We'll set aside, and next we're going to make our noodles. I already pre-boiled pot of water, and we're going to add some noodles, few ounces. You can see how thin the noodles are. We'll cook about 4 to 5 minutes. So after a few minutes, our noodle is almost ready. Just add some cold water when you're cooking noodles. So this way to help to separate them and also prevent from overflowing. Now we're going to take out the noodles. Next, we'll finish off tomato sauce. Our tomato sauce cooked about 15 minutes now. Now we just add green onions to finish up. And a little bit white pepper powder. Let's just have a quick taste. Very good. Just a little bit salt. I like the acidity. If you want it sweeter, especially for kids, you can add a little bit of sugar. So our sauce is ready to put on the noodles. We'll scoop out sauce. So this is for 2 servings. We make 1 here. Yum. And top with our egg. Our noodles is ready. Cannot wait to eat the noodle soup. If you have the Sichuan yacai, you can also add some. That will add some flavor too. And let's try it. The noodles perfectly done. Egg. It's crispy outside, but inside is soft. Just soft enough for me. Let's try the soup. It's tomato. It's 2 tomato. It's good. It's not too sour. As I said, if you didn't get the sweet, juicy tomatoes, you can add some sugar. Such comforting and homey, delicious, nutritious noodles with the tomatoes and the fried egg. I'm sure kids will like too. And please promise me you're gonna try this. The ingredients are so simple. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.